Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail. We got a great appetizer on the menu today. It's good for game day or just when you're having those gatherings at your house. I'm gonna show you guys how to make fried cheese balls. Yep, that's simple. Get in your kitchen, let's go. Let's do a quick rundown of what we have for today's recipe. Guys, it's not many ingredients, but this is a great appetizer for game day or just when you're having some type of gathering. You're gonna love it. Now back here we have our cheddar cheese. You can use whatever type of cheese you want. I'm using some yellow cheddar. You can use white cheddar. You can use that Gouda, whatever you want. Right here we have Parmesan cheese, 2 eggs, flour. I'm gonna put some Creole seasoning in that thing and also some baking powder. So these are the ingredients. Let's get to it. All right, so all we're gonna do is we're gonna combine all the ingredients. We're gonna start with our cheddar cheese, that Parmesan cheese, our Creole seasoning. That's optional too, guys. Our egg, baking powder, and our flour. And we're gonna go in with our hands and get this baby massaged in here until it forms like a dough. All right, guys, that's what we have. Let's go ahead and continue. Now we're gonna start creating our cheese balls. I'm gonna take a cookie scooper. I'm just gonna scoop me just a little bit out of there like that. And I'm gonna roll that up into a little ball like this. Sit that over here. Let's do another one. Sit that right there. And I'm gonna go ahead and get all of them done, and then we're gonna come back. While I'm doing this, I'm gonna go ahead and start preheating our oil to 350 degrees. So once we're done, we can go ahead and drop them babies in there, all right? All right, so we have all our cheese balls. Guys, take a look at this right here. Man, it's about 20. So we're gonna go ahead and move over to our Dutch oven. Our oil is heating up, it's almost there, and we're gonna start dropping them babies in there, all right? All right, so now our oil is ready. We're gonna start dropping our cheese balls into the grease. And we're gonna let these babies cook 1 to 2 minutes until they're golden brown. And guys, you definitely wanna make sure you're stirring these babies constantly. All right, guys, it looks like we are good on this batch. It's just that simple and easy. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna remove them from our grease. And I'm just gonna sit them here on a wired rack. Let them sit there, sit them in the warmer while we fry the remaining cheese balls. All right, so we're finishing up our last batch. We'll go ahead and get these babies out of here. And we're gonna head over to our cutting board. And guys, this is what we have, very simple. Let's go ahead and get these babies plated up so we can get into quality control. And there you have it, crispy fried cheese balls. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control to give it a taste test. All right, we're back in here, quality control, guys. Take a look at our cheese balls, man. Look at that right there. Oh, aren't they a beauty? Take a look at that. Oh man, let's go ahead and do a quick quality control. Look at that. Oh man. Oh man. It ain't no even need to even overreact. This is just fried cheese with a little flour, but it is delicious, guys. Listen, and you can do this. I'm thinking about a lot of different ways you can kind of make this. I just want to go strictly cheese balls. Man, you can add some bacon to this. You know what else you can add? Them jalapenos. Yeah, them jalapenos. So guys, definitely check this out. It's a great appetizer for game day, or you got some gatherings that you can go to or have people over. Just check this out. So until the end, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, him not a chef. Him just cook a lot. And him is out. Peace.